Screw the resolutions. You are enough. You don't need to be more. You don't need to do more. You're enough. Who cares about all those stories right now that the media is telling you that you are not enough? We're going to move past that. This is the best kind of start to your year. So join me for 7 days of ways to remember that you are enough. 7 days of impactful and yet so simple practices that you can do here in bed, on your couch, at work, in line at the grocery store. All these really beautifully simple practices to help both anchor your mind and your body into remembering that you are enough. I'm Bree Johnson of Heart and Bones Yoga. Sign up, press that link in the little bit below here. Sign up and get started right now in remembering that you are enough.